Hello everyone, good day to all. As you all know that PT2 paper is going to happen in January. So this paper is for class 8 English and you can prepare your subject like English for PT2 exam. This paper is especially for NCERT based. So prepare this. First of all, this paper is only 40 marks and you can read instructions like means reading unseen and extract and grammar 20 marks, writing and literature 20 marks. So attempt all questions. So first of all, this is reading and grammar section, which is comprehension and our passage. First of all, read the passage given below and answer the questions. So this is the passage and you can prepare by yourself. First of all, read the all the question. This is my suggestion to you that first we should read the questions, after then point out the key words, and after that we should read the paragraph to find out the answer. So you can use this type of technique. And like a first question, what kind of articles are published in newspaper? What are the benefit of reading an editorial page? Newspapers publish advertisement attract. How do newspaper help the students who is a journalist? So you can go through the passage. Newspaper are our good friends. Life without newspaper is waste. Newspapers bring us news and views from all corners of the world. Any incident or occurrence of importance that take place is reported by the newspaper. The word news is interpreted as north, east, west, and south. It means that the newspaper provides us with information and news regarding various subjects from all directions. Newspaper also gives us articles on all kind of topics such as political, social, economic, monetary, business, commerce, sports, education, health, etc. So for the first question answer, you can go through the like is that newspaper also gives us an article on all kind of topics such as political, social, economic, monetary, business. So this is the answer for the first question, and like that you can find all the questions. Okay, so move to the next passage. Next passage is read the following passage and answer the questions that follows. So this passage is about dry fruits, and this passage is not so long. So dry fruits are useful in various diseases of brain, muscles, and tissues. Almonds have unique properties to remove brain weakness and strengthen it. So this paragraph is about almonds, and this is MCQ based paragraph. So dry fruits are useful because they strengthen our heart. Number 1, cure various diseases of the brain, muscles, and tissues. So you can go through the question number 1. B answer is right. Okay, as we have read in the first line, so this is the first. B is the correct answer. Which one is not a property of almonds? मीन्स इसमें से आलमंड की कौन सी प्रॉपर्टीज नहीं है, कौन सी क्या चीज़ें नहीं पाई जाती. इट प्रोवाइड्स द विटेलिटी ऑफ द ब्रेन, स्ट्रेंथ द मसल्स, डिस्ट्रॉय डिजीज, ऑर्गेनाइज origination from nervous and bilious disorders. It strengthen our digestive system. So read the passage and इसमें से कौन सा है जो कि almonds नहीं करता है. So this paragraph is very little, so you can find your answer from the passage and move to the next. The word unique means the same is, आपको ये unique word उसमें से मिल जाएंगे पैराग्राफ में से. यूनिक इज ऑर्डनरी, हाई, क्वालिफाइड, अनयूजुअल, डिस्टिंक्टिव. So next question is change the following sentences, do as directed. So you can see there, write as change into passive voice. So first sentence, mother cooks food. You have to change this sentence into passive voice. Like तो how will you change that? Mother cooks food. The food is cooked by mother. Answer is food is cooked by mother. And change into direct indirect speech. Next question is that you have to change into indirect speech. I am reading a book. She said I am reading a book. So answer will be she said that she was reading a book. Next question, third, children played football. Change into passive voice. Then what is the object in the sentence? Object is football. Football is played by children. Football was, not is. Okay, sorry. So football was, because this sentence is in past. So in past sentence we have to use was, and were in present simple we use is MR, right? So next question is she was reading a book, change into passive voice. So what is object in this sentence? A book. A book is object. A book was being read by her. Next question is teacher said to student sunrise in the east. So into indirect speech, teacher told students that sunrise in the east. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ नहीं चेंज करना, because this is universal fact, and in the universal fact and historical fact, during indirect speech nothing will change. You have to add, but you have to add that, and inverted comma will be removed from the sentence. We have to change into, means into a statement, and pronoun will be changed, but here is not pronoun, here is son, so nothing will change here. Write meaning of the following words. So these words are from your textbook, okay, and you can go through your book and learn these word meaning. If you tell me, I will answer all the questions in the next video. Next question is write some references September at the fight. So you can write your answer in 100 and 150. Okay, read the chapter thoroughly and write summary of the chapter. First is September and the fight. Write a diary entry describing a day when you helped someone in need. आपने कभी किसी की help की हो, so write a diary. And while writing diary or paragraph or letter, so it is must कि आप उसको proper manner में लिखो. This is very important. Next question is a paragraph on the topic the importance of books in our life. हमारे जीवन में books का क्या महत्व है? How books help us in our life. So as you are class 8 student, you know about the importance of books and you can write in your own words. So this is very important topic. Next, move to the questions and answer. These questions are from your textbook, not in the poem Schoolboy. What does the boy dislike about school? So if you have read the chapter, you can answer in proper manner कि बच्चा स्कूल को क्यों पसंद नहीं कर रहा था. How did the narrator describe the battle in the lesson? This is Jodi's form. Next question is what according to writer did his experience as an aviator teach him? राइटर के अकॉर्डिंग एवरेस्टर ने क्या सिखाया? व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू मेक्स द टू एडवर्सरीज टर्न इनटू गुड फ्रेंड इन अ मैटर ऑफ मिनट. एक्सप्लेन इट एज यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इट. दिस क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम द फाइट. मीन्स सूरज और वो दूसरे दोनों कैसे फ्रेंड बनते हैं और क्या होता है, यू कैन एक्सप्लेन. Next question is write the noun from forms of the following words adding ANCER. ANCE और ANCE. ANCER नहीं है, only ANCE or ENCE to each. Endurance, persistence, significance, confidence. So these by adding ANCE or ENCE you can make noun from these words. So that's all for today, and we'll meet in your next topic. So bye bye.